Nature is absolutely crazy. I don't know if you guys remember the video that I did at the very end of last winter, where we had this field cleared and we spread all sorts of different seed and wildflower. This field was once a competing group of saplings, like this young tulip poplar and this young sycamore here. They were all about this size, maybe a little bigger. But we cleared it all because those trees were just going to compete. They were going to starve each other out, and it wasn't necessarily a good ecosystem for really anything, not even the trees that were growing. Everything was mulchified, like blended up essentially. Like imagine sticking a tree in a blender and spit out all over the property. All of those trees now break down and give birth to like new fungi and all these healthy soils and stuff that now allow everything else to grow. Opening up this field and taking away those trees that were just competing with one another and ultimately going to do exactly what we did, kind of break them down and lend them back to the soil, has created this massive, lush ecosystem full of deer and raccoon and all these different creatures. It's just brimming with life. The only thing missing is a little bit of fire, bringing back the fire-dependent species, diversifying further. Breaking down all of that wood has allowed fungus to roll in to help make the soil richer, more nutrient dense. If you look in this thicket that was not cut, what do you see? There is nothing here because light can't permeate. And look at these trees. They're just suffering anyway. So what is it I'm trying to get across? What is the point I'm making here? We all sympathize with trees and we sympathize with nature. But when you know nature and you know how to help nature, you understand if you want this, a food source for bees, deer, all alike, you've got to get rid of this. Nature is beyond intelligently designed. It regulates itself in so many crazy ways, like a lightning bolt, for example. But if you want your property to work for you, you need to know how to work your property.